Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever encountered the pesky DAZN error code 6500500? This issue can be a real dampener on your viewing experience, but worry not. Here are some potential fixes to help you get back to your favorite shows and sports. First up, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. If you're using DAZN on a computer, this can often help. Simply go to your browser settings, find the Clear Cache and Cookies option, and give it a go. Restart the browser and see if the error persists. For those using the DAZN app on a mobile device, try clearing the app cache instead. Then relaunch the app and see if the issue's been resolved. Secondly, try using DAZN on a different device or browser. If you're using a browser like Chrome, give Safari, Firefox, or Edge a whirl. If you're on the app, try logging in on another device. This can help determine if the error is on DAZN's end or if it's a device or browser-specific issue. Thirdly, check the DAZN server status. Sometimes DAZN might be experiencing a system outage which can trigger these kinds of errors. To check the server status, head over to Down Detector and see if there are any reported outages. If there are, you may just need to be patient and wait for a fix. Fourthly, try the good old restart. Power off the device you're using for DAZN, wait a minute, then power it back on. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider restarting your router as well. Once your device and internet are back up and running, relaunch DAZN and see if the error has been resolved. Lastly, if all else fails, it's time to reach out to DAZN support. They're the experts on their own platform and will be able to guide you through any more complex fixes or let you know if there's a larger issue at hand. So, to recap, first clear your browser or app cache, then try using a different device or browser, check the DAZN server status, restart your device, and if all else fails, contact DAZN support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.